Hello guys, so I just got another H&M box in. They have been like killing it for me lately. So, got a big box, let's unbox it. First thing, look at this sweater. The fringe, the like print, I'm really feeling the Western vibe lately. Look at the ponies I have on my sweatshirt, or zip up or whatever. This with some black pants and black boots. Cute. I have like a big version or a shorts version of this from ASOS, but I saw that they had this adorable little pajama set and I had to get it. I'm still on the hunt for that dark denim pair of jeans, so I got these. They're skinny jeans. I don't know, sweater, skinny jeans, and boots. I'm coming back to like my high school, middle school self. Look at these. I had to. It's like a pillow for your foot, like a down jacket. So cute. Another pair of dark denim. These are slim, straight legs, but I like the wash, so we'll see how those go. I realized I literally do not have a belt, so I got this one. I don't know if I meant it for it to be silver because I like don't wear silver, but it's fine. Just a black belt. I wanted like a super cozy, really big sweatsuit in gray, so I got extra large, just big sweatsuit. I love the color. Fleece on the inside, not too heavy, cheap, just like a throwaway pair. I just wanted like a really cheap, cozy sweatsuit that matched. I also got another set of pajamas because can you blame me? Black satin, long sleeve. All right, let's try everything on. All right, here is the pair of jeans that are just the straight leg ones. They fit like a dang glove. I like them. They kind of flatten my butt out though, so I don't love that. All right, so the skinny jeans are way too big, so size down. Okay, this is adorable. I love the fringe. I have it like tucked in because it goes like that. How cute would this be with like black leather leggings and boots? Okay, but look at these boots. They're so comfy. They almost look like high tops. They're very cute. All right. Oh my god. I'm trying to clean out a bit of my pantry cabinet. I have literally like one drawer. But I always have a bunch of stuff to make my homemade granola. I haven't made it in a long time, and I'm feeling like now's the time. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. I don't really care. I got this big bowl. I'm gonna put all the dry ingredients, and then I'm going to melt all the wet ingredients and put them in. And then we're gonna toast it up. So I have, you can use literally like whatever you have and just kind of throw it together, but it's like preference, you know? So I have hazelnuts, which I love. These orange flavored cranberries are so incredibly delicious. They are like really weirdly high in calories and added sugar, so I'm gonna be sparing with those. Almonds, but I think I'm gonna use those to make almond milk because I have these toasted, dry, unsalted, dry toasted sliced almonds. Then I have some walnuts and some coconut. Chia and flax to add a little bit of nutrition. And then I'm gonna use coconut oil and agave and a little bit of vanilla extract. And that's gonna be my granola. So let's remember. Oh, and the oats. Hello. Of course, the oats. I almost forgot. I'm gonna do like a cup of oats maybe. Cup and a half? We'll see. Almonds. I love coconut. Whoa, babies. I mean, chia and flax. Whoa. Oh, how much I should use? Let's do like maybe a half cup. I remember us. Splash of agave. Okay. Baking sheet out. Just stir it a little to make sure. see if we need any more. And then we're gonna dump it all out onto this baking sheet. Now we're gonna preheat the oven because I forgot to do it and toss it in. All right, I'm gonna throw this in. You have to like move it around halfway through. I forget what I used to do it for, so I'm just gonna watch it maybe like 15 minutes and then I'll let you guys know how long you should put it in. All right, I just heated up my leftover ricotta truffle gnocchi from the Smith I ordered a few days ago. One of my guilty pleasure meals, one of my absolute faves. It's hard to heat up though because it's literally just butter sauce, so it like melts the butter, but still good. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm feeling like really down today, like just so weird, I don't know. So I'm gonna get out of the apartment. I'm gonna take B to the dog park, go do some errands. I haven't gotten like any work done today. I've just been doing household things. I sold some clothes and shipped those out. I don't know. It's a weird day. So I'm gonna get out of my apartment, try to feel better. This is hot. So good though. I really want to make my own gnocchi. I've seen that it's relatively easy. It's very intimidating though. But I want to make like a potato gnocchi sometime soon.
I did my nails this morning, mocha cherry by D&D, got dressed in a comfy outfit, headed out to get my weekly allergy shot. I've been getting these once or twice a week so that I can love my dog, and they really work. On the way home, I grabbed a peppermint mocha from Starbucks, a little treat. I tried Liquid Death for the first time, this mango one. It was delicious. Later in the day, Dan came home, we watched Ted Lasso, and I got dressed in my Christmassy little outfit to go to dinner. This jacket is from Something Navy. I love it. I make these bows myself. Go buy one. Look at our Christmas decor. Brooks was all cozy. Got dressed, headed out. We walked to dinner. We walked by Grand Central. They have all the lights up, but look how they're putting the cabbages near Grand Central. I can't. If you know, you know. Walked by the skating rink and the tree, and then we went to La Rock. This dinner was fab. The vibes are immaculate. These drinks were delicious. I got the fizz and it was so good. I loved it. We got these leeks and this pasta to start. The leeks were so good. The guy came over, did this little presentation where he unwrapped them, put this green sauce on top. It was so good. And then the ennio tea was delish. We got this meat thing. It was basically tartare though, so it was too rare for me. But we also got this sausage. It was so good. The potatoes were amazing. We've been on a profiterole kick. Do you like how the guy put the candle in the shot to make the shot better for me? We love an Instagram queen.
All right, we just came back from dinner. We went to La Rock in Rockefeller Center. It was delish. We were thinking about heading to Pebble Bar after, but it was a little cold. We wanted to get back to Brooks, and so I'm gonna make a cocktail at home. This is my new favorite cocktail lately that my friend showed me. It's a screwball peanut butter and jelly cocktail. I'm usually not a whiskey gal, but this screwball peanut butter whiskey is delish. And then you do Chambord, which is raspberry liqueur, which is like the jelly, and then cranberry juice to put it all together. So let's make one. Ooh, 2 ounces of the whiskey. Okay. 1 ounce of the Chambord and 1 ounce of cranberry. Let's shake it up. Alright, let's try her. So good. Chaz.
Drank it in bed while we watched Ted Lasso, and that was my night.